This is how to turn off shuffle on your Spotify without any premium versions, so let's get into it. The first thing that you need to do is to simply open up your Spotify and then select any of your playlist, or is there you can also select your library song like I am selecting it, this one Soraya. Just open it and then play it here, but here you can see there is no option of shuffle here as in the free version of your Spotify. The shuffle option is replaced by this heart option in the premium version. In order to turn off the shuffle, you have to simply click on this shuffle option here. And once it turned to white, then it will be turned off successfully, but in the free version how it is possible. So for the free version you have to use more one step back, so here in the free version you can see that shuffle icon appears on a play button. Here you have to just simply click on display button in order to play your song and ride. Thanks for watching.